That's right. I know where home is okay. You can be home and still be inspired. We can still ignite the passion within you so you can be motivated to do what you need to do. So let's talk about harnessing your greatness. And when I say harnessing your greatness, it's not a matter of you thinking that you're better than someone else. No one is better than you, but you're not better than anyone else. We're just different, that's all. People can be different. We all have our different gifts, our talents, our knowledge, our abilities, and we're supposed to share that information. So it's not a matter about you, it's not a matter about me. It's a matter about what we can share in this world. And I know some of you probably saying, hey, we are the world, we are the future. But that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about knowing that you are great. Why are we talking about this today? Because there are so many people walking around discouraged. So many people walking around not living their full potential. Not believing that they are great. Not knowing within them that they have greatness. Well, I'm here today to tell you something, that you are great. I'm not here just to tell you that you are great. I'm here to prove that you are great. Who created you? Who do you look like? What are you? How are you? You are made for a reason. The fact that you are born, you are great. The fact that you are born provides something within you to share with other people. I'm telling you, you have greatness within you. You just have to believe it. You gotta believe that. So what I'm saying is, you gotta cultivate your greatness. You gotta embody it. You gotta feel it. You gotta know it. And you gotta prove to yourself and shower the world with your greatness. Shower the world with your greatness. And the reason you want to shower the world with your greatness is because we are supposed to be contributors to this world in which we live. So if you want to sit back on your couch and feel defeated and have that defeated mindset, defeated attitude that I am less than, then I'm telling you something. You're missing out on the great things that life has in store for you. You probably heard a message similar to this, but I'm going to tell you, just like there are millions, maybe, I'm thinking maybe millions of dancers, millions of actors, millions of performers, millions of authors. But you know what? Everyone is unique. Every single one of them is unique, just like you. You are awesome. Unique, because you were made and created uniquely in His image. And because you were created and you were put on this earth for a reason, know that you have to, one, believe that you're great so you can produce greatness in others. And how do you produce greatness in others is simply by starting out, sharing your gifts, your knowledge, your skills with the world. So know it, feel it, understand it, take charge, and know that you are great.